Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the lid lock on Seat Ibiza. It's from 2010. The lid lock is located here. This one is not closing, it's not closing anymore. We're gonna have to remove this plastic. It's held by some clips, I guess, so you just have to pull it. So this plastic is held by these type of clips. The two from the back, those ones don't really want to come out. I'm gonna use this guy to squeeze them and take them off. Other than that, the other guys are out all around just by pulling. So those clips from the middle didn't want it to come out easily, and I think I have enough access. I will try to do it without removing completely. These bolts are M8 and they are pretty easy to take off. And we are undoing the other one too. So it's out. Now all we have to do is to push this and take out the wiring, and we're gonna put back the new one. So yeah, basically it looks like it's pretty easy. You don't really have to remove this all the way. If you have a little access, that's gonna be good. So here we have our new one. It's wired in. Before we are putting it back, check it out if it's working. We don't want to put it on, close the lid and the trunk and not be able to open it again. So here we have our new lid lock, and we can test it out pretty easy. Now it's closed, as you can see, and we're gonna just open this and please try this one. Yeah, it's working. And the old one, the problem was that it was not closing. Like, you can do this, close it and open it right away. This should stay closed till you open it from the handle. So yeah, this is broken. So we are putting the bolts back. So if you want to put it back right, these guys have to slide in like that. You have to put this part first, I guess. Slide it up like that, and after that you can push up the rest.